Hello there. We're going to look at some more A-star graph work. Let's say you're given a graph like this and you're told no more than that it's the graph of y equals x squared plus ax plus b. The only other information you're given is the coordinates of these 2 points where the curve crosses the x-axis. And you're told that the points are 1, 0 and 3, 0. How can we work out A and B? Well, the way we do it is this. Let's remind ourselves, what do these coordinates mean? They mean, this one here, 1, 0, that when x is 1, y is 0. So if I substitute x equal to 1 into my equation, it must equal 0. So let's do that. Y is 0 and x is 1, so 0 equals 1 squared plus a times 1 plus b. And I'll just tidy that up. 0 is equal to 1 plus a plus b. And that's my first equation. But I've got another point here, haven't I? That when x is 3, when x is 3, y is 0. X is 3, y is 0. Now substitute x equals 3 in and y equal to 0 and we get 0 equals 3 squared plus a times 3 plus b, which I'll tidy up as 0 is equal to 9 plus 3a plus b. And that's our second equation. Let's get rid of some of our working now. Let's always go back and find out how I got those bits and pieces. So we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now, how can I work out what A is and how can I work out what B is? Well, why don't I take, remember you work on simultaneous equations, take equation 1 away from equation 2. On the left I get 0, on the right I get 9 take away 1, 8, I get 3a take away a plus 2a, and the b's disappear. Now rearrange that and we get minus 8 equals plus 2a. Divide both sides by plus 2 and we get minus 8 over 2 equals a, or a equals minus 4. Now, how do I find out what b is? Well, I substitute. Remember you work in simultaneous equations? Substitute a equal to minus 4 into equation, let's put it into equation 2. And what do I get? I get 0 is equal to, here's equation 2, 0 is equal to 9 plus 3 times a, which is minus 4, plus b. Tidy that up. 0 is equal to 9 minus 12 plus b. In other words, 0 is equal to minus 3 plus b, and with a little bit of rearrangement, moving the minus 3 to the other side if necessary. If necessary, I'm sure if you're studying A-star maths you can do it. You can work out what b is. Then 3 is equal to b. And my final answer is a equals minus 4 and b equals 3. Okay, that's one other use. Let's just recap. We use the fact that these coordinates actually contain a lot of information. They tell us that when x is 1, y is 0, and when x is 3, y is 0. And we substituted both of those into the equation here to try and find out what a and b were. Thank you for listening.